So this the algorithm advanced search, and the first file we're looking through is the empty one, and since it's empty we don't need to go through the search. And the next file is the trivial, and you look for the word trivial, and we found the word. The next case is in the same file but a different word, which is not on the list. Next is the languages file in C++, which is in the list. And then we will look for list, which should not be on the list. And then the last test case is the country. This is the countries JSON, and we'll look for United States, and we found it. And then the last test case is if we drop the of America, which we did not find on the list.